Order and Pay is a mobile ordering and payment solution that puts complete control into the hands of your guests. Literally, guests can browse menus, order, split tabs, and pay, all from their device. By putting guests in control of their dining experience, customers using Toast Order and Pay have reported 60% reductions in front-of-house labor costs, 10% improvements in table turn times, and nearly 12% increases in average check size. In addition to these revolutionary financial benefits, Order and Pay enhances hospitality by empowering your servers to focus less on transactional tasks, like punching in orders and closing out checks, and more on engaging with guests and adding value, which creates a more fulfilling dining experience for both guests and staff. Let's take a closer look at how Toast Order and Pay works in your restaurant. Once seated, guests simply scan the QR code on their table to begin ordering. Each table has its own unique QR code so that your servers and kitchen staff know where each order is coming from and where it needs to go when it's ready. If multiple guests are dining together, they can easily start a group tab, which will put all their orders onto the same ticket and send everything to the kitchen at once. Each item is associated with a guest's name so that your servers can easily identify who's having what. Browsing the menu is easy, and it only takes a few taps to view items, select any modifiers, and add it to the cart. Restaurants using Order and Pay report an increase in modifier sales, such as premium tequilas, because guests can upsell themselves with every order. Once the table is ready to order, they can be prompted to enter a credit card for pre-authorization. This makes it easy for guests to close out their tab when they're ready to leave and allows servers to close the tab on the POS with the pre-authorized card in the event that someone forgets to pay before leaving. Orders fire directly to the printer or kitchen display screen as soon as they're submitted. This can help improve your speed of service and table turn times by reducing the number of trips servers need to make to submit orders on the POS. If you're using Order and Pay with KDS in a quick service environment without food runners, you can send customized text messages to guests, letting them know their order is ready and instructing them where to pick it up. Servers are also able to add items to the tab directly from a POS or a Toast Go handheld to provide flexible and continuous service. When it's time for the next round, guests can fire another order in just a few taps, making reordering a breeze. Closing out has never been easier. At the end of a meal, guests can pay directly from their phone and choose to pay for just their items or for the entire order. No more flagging down servers, asking for the bill or separate checks, and waiting for the server to run cards. Order and Pay eliminates the busy work and allows you to seat the next table faster than ever, which means more revenue and more tips. With every closed check, you're also building your guest database. Each order is tied to guest data, such as name and email, which flows directly into Toast marketing so that you can re-engage with your guests after they've left and keep them coming back for more. Toast Order and Pay is great for guests, restaurants, and staff. Guests love having more control over their dining experience. Restaurants love improving their bottom line and increasing average check size by almost 12% through Order and Pay. And servers love earning more tips and feeling more fulfilled in their role. Get started with Toast Order and Pay today.